we talk about rounding the nearest 10, 100,000. Okay. Today, this video we are going to talk about using bracket. When we use bracket, it's necessary for when we are writing, when we are doing mathematical calculation. So I have some situation. So I will do some calculation without bracket and with using brackets. So please see this, then you can identify and understand what is the importance of using brackets when you are doing calculation. First one, Meera bought 6 notebooks from the market and the cost was 10 per notebook. One notebook cost is 10 rupees. She bought 6 notebooks. His sister Seema also bought 7 notebooks of the same type. Okay, same type means each notebook 10 rupees. So Seema 6 notebooks, each notebook 10 rupees. And then his sister Seema also, sorry, Meera 6 notebook, each notebook 10 rupees. Seema also bought 7 notebook, each notebook 10 rupees. So find the total money how they paid. Okay. So first, actually, if you are doing the same calculation, what you will do? First, Meera, how many notebook she bought? 6 notebook. So one notebook cost is 10 rupees, no? So 6 into 10, 16 rupees. Then, Meera, Seema, 7 notebook, no? So 7 into 10, we can calculate. How we calculate? 6 into 10, 60 plus 7 into 10, 70. Then totally, how much? 130, no? So this is the way. This method, if you are calculating, you will use this method. But if you see it's not a good manner. If you are a mathematics students, we have to use brackets. It's very important when you are doing mathematical calculation. Example, how many notebook? 6 notebooks, no? So 6 notebook, Meera plus Seema 7 notebooks, no? So each notebook 10 rupees. If you look at it, it's a mathematical expression. Look like it's a mathematical expression. 6 plus 7, total note is 30 notebook, each notebook 10 rupees. So we have to add first, then after multiply these. So what is the simplification of this mathematical expression? 6 plus 7, 13, no? Then multiply by 10. Then 13 into 10, 130. So answer is same, but when we are solving using bracket, it's easily we can identify. It means we can add first, then after that we can multiply. Or else we can do another type like this. 6 plus 7, no? So this is a mathematical expression because we are using brackets, no? First we multiply 7. 10 into 7, 70 plus 10 into 6, 60. 130. So we can do any way, but the bracket is necessary. We have to multiply both number inside the number, no? So first we have to multiply 7 after 6. So brackets is very important when we are doing calculation. Okay. Okay, students. We know what is the use of brackets. In this video, we are going to discuss about expanding bracket. Okay. So when we are doing calculation, addition, subtraction, or multiplication, we use bracket. It's a systematic way. Okay. So let me take some example for expanding bracket. I am taking example 7 multiplied by 109. By using bracket, we are finding solution easily and short time. Okay. So now I am going to expand this number 109. No. So I will expand 7 multiplied by 100 plus 9. So what is the meaning? You have to multiply 7 both 100 and 9. Now I expanded 109 into 100 plus 9. So then after that, what I will do, now we can multiply easily, 7 into 100, we can get 700 plus 7 into 9, 63, Now we can add easily 763. So we can get solution easily in a systematic way by using bracket. Okay students, let me take the second example. I have taken this number, I am going to multiply. First I want to expand this number, then easily we can find a solution. First of all, I am going to expand 102, 100 plus 2. So first of all, see, 102, I take 100 separate, 2 separate using bracket. So 100 plus 2, 102. Then here multiply, so put multiply symbol. Then after, again I am going to expand 103. So I know you can expand. How to expand in this 103? So 100 first plus 3. So if you add 100 plus 3, 103. 100 plus 2, 102. Okay, now I expanded. Now we want to multiply. So so if you multiply this, you have to multiply this number. It will take more time. But if you multiply this way using bracket, it's very easy. Okay. First, what I will do, I will take this 100 and multiply with this 2 whole. First, I will take this 100. I am going to multiply with this whole number. So as per that, 100. It's a multiplication, I am going to multiply this 100, this whole inside the bracket, So multiplication 100 plus 3. So I took this one, this whole. Again I will took this, So inside this, what will happen? We have to add, Here addition. We have to multiply both and we have to add. So put plus. Okay, 100 plus, I put plus. Now take 2 and take this whole. Inside, in between, multiplication symbol, So 2 multiply 100 plus 3. That's it. So here 100, okay, multiplication symbol, this whole. So 100 multiply by 100 plus 3 plus this plus 2 multiplication symbol, this whole. Okay, now I am going to simplify it. First you multiply 100 into 100. 100 into 100, 10,000, 100 into 100, 10,000. Okay. Now, next 100 into 100, 10,000 plus 100 into 3, 300, See, 100 into 100, 10,000. 100 into 3. Here multiplication, 100 into 3, 300. Here plus. This one finished. Now, 2 into 100, 200. 2 into 100, 200 plus 2 3s are 6. Now again I am going to simplify this. 10,000 plus 300 plus 200, 6. So 200, 300, 500 plus 6, 506, So 506. Here 10,000. 1 times 100,000, 10,000, So 10,506 is the answer. So using bracket, first we have to expand the number, then easily we can find a solution without any calculation, So I didn't do multiplication, so I can find a solution. Okay students, by using expanding brackets, how to find a solution. say example 3. Okay, already we talked two examples. So without doing multiplication, how to find a solution? Just simply using bracket. So first, for that we have to expand the number, then easily we can multiply, then find the answer. So before we talk about some example how to expand, so it's a 105, 101. If you expand this 100 plus 5, 100 plus 5, 105, then multiply by 100 plus 1, 101. Okay. Now what I will do, I am going to multiply this 100 to this whole number. After that, this 5 to this whole number. So first I will write first 100, then 100 multiplied by this whole number. No? So multiplication 100 plus 1. Then after plus 5. This 5 to this whole, no? So 5 multiplication 100 plus 1. That's it. So first I write what I am going to do. First I will write for easily your understanding. So now I am going to multiply 100 into 100. Then after 100 into 1. So first we will multiply by this one. 100 into 100. 10,000. No? 100 into 100. 10,000. Okay. Then plus 100 into 1. 100. That's it. Then plus 100 into 5 into 100, 500 plus 5 into 1, 5. So first we have number. I expanded using bracket. So 105 I return 100 plus 5. Then 101, 100 plus 1. So using bracket I expand. Then after that I multiply this first number to this whole number. Okay. Then second number to this whole number. So first I write for expanded form 100 into this 100 plus 1. Then 5 into 100 plus 1. So after that 100 into 100 10,000. 100 into 1 100. Then 5 into 100 500. 5 into 1 5. Now I am going to add. So 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 5, 605. Then here 10,000, no? So put 10. Now 10,605 is the answer.